The GCSE Maths Countdown has officially started, so this is day 1 of exam question of the day, where I work through one exam question under time conditions. First question for 2 marks is find the value of 81 to the power of negative a half. There are 2 parts to this, the negative part of the power and the fraction part of the power. Fractional powers are roots, so what I'm going to do is take them one at a time, starting with the purple part, the fraction. 81 to the power of a half is the same as the square root of 81, which is positive 9, but also negative 9. Fractional powers are roots, negative powers are reciprocals. So 81 to the power of negative a half is 1 over root 81, which is 1 over positive or negative 9. 1 mark for writing 1 over positive or negative 9, you need both. Another mark for showing that you took the square root or that you showed the reciprocal. When you do finish early, it's always good practice to double check your answers, making sure that your answers make sense with the question before moving on. Then you can use any extra time to do that again after you finish the test. Next question for 2 marks, find the value of 64 over 125 to the power of 2/3. Once again, 2 and the third part will be dealt with separately. A denominator power is a root. So first things first, I'm going to take the cube root of 64 over 125, which is the cube root of the whole thing, but also the cube root of both parts of the fraction separately. Either way, I get to 4/5 because 4 multiplied by itself 3 times gives you 64. 5 multiplied by itself gives you 125 when you do it 3 times. 64 over 125 to the power of a third is the cube root of that, 4 over 5. 64 over 125 to the power of 2/3 is the cube root squared. So now you square your cube root, which gives you 16 over 25. Hope this helped. If you come across another question that you want me to go through, let me know so that I can do it tomorrow or later on in the week. In the meantime, keep practicing, believe in yourself, I believe in you, and I'm proud of you.